Hello viewers, welcome to Every Creation. Hope you are well. Today I am going to show you how can you create this certificate template in Canva platform. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon also to get new updates. So if you want to buy this template or use this template, then you can use this link. I will attach the link on the video description. It is the Canva Pro template. So let's start the tutorial. So let's create this certificate in Canva. So firstly, you have a user account on Canva, then log in your Canva account, then you will see create a design button, or I am a Canva creator already, so I have another option for create a new template. So I have two options, so I chose create a design, then search certificate, then click on certificate. Okay, click on elements, then graphics, then shapes, then choose this rectangular shape and increase the height and weight. On all sides, and make sure the bleed option is on. Go to file, then show print bleed. Okay, perfect. You can change this color. Just select this shape, you can change the shape border color. So just select this shape, then click on color, then choose the new color, or click on this plus icon, then change it to your desired color. Okay, perfect. Now we will click on the text options, and we will click on add a heading, and the new text will be certificate of completion. and change the text font to Rackus. And the font size will be 52 point. Okay, now move this. Okay, now move this to the upper section. Now we will duplicate it or shows the subheading and rename it to the certificate is award to, and change the font to source serif and the new font size will be 18.5. Okay, now we will duplicate this again. So press Ctrl C and press again Ctrl B, then move it to the middle section and we will change the font to Sacramento. So just select all these letters, press Ctrl A, then change it to Sacramento, and the font size will be 72. Then press enter. Okay, and rename it to Jonathan Dewey. Okay, now we will add a line shape. So first click on elements, then click on line and shapes, see all, then click on these line shapes and resize it to and move it to the bottom of the name. We will change the font color to our desired color. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate this text again. So press Ctrl C and Ctrl B, and you will rename it with your desired text. Just type of this. Now we will add this section. So press Ctrl C and Ctrl B for duplicate, then change the font size to 16.5 and the font color will be this color. And it will be Johnson Peter. Now duplicate this line shape again, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then resize this line. Okay, perfect. I'll change the line shape size to 2 point. Okay, now we will duplicate this text box again. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then move it to the bottom and change the font color to black, and the new font will be Roboto. And the new font size will be 9.7. Okay, perfect. Now just duplicate this. Now just duplicate these three shapes. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You will rename it to with your own. Now we will add a badge on the certificate. So just click on a badge. It will automatically place the badge on the certificate, and you can change this base color with your own choice. Okay, so we have just completed our certificate template on Canva. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you all of you guys. Have a good day.